Hello, my name's Joe and welcome to this Xpres Technical YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be looking at downloading and importing profiles into RasterLink 7. It's important to note that whilst I'm going to be focusing on the TXF in this video, this process does work for all of the different printers, and I'll explain any differences along the way. So the first thing we want to do is head to Mimaki.com. Once you're on Mimaki.com, head to the download section of the website. Once you're in the download section, you can either scroll down the right hand side and find your printer, or you can press Ctrl F and type in the name of your printer. So in this case, if I type in TXF and then press enter, the TXF appears on the screen for me. I'm then going to select my model and size, which in this case is going to be the 375. I then end up on the profile section of the download page for the TXF 375. Now, the only difference that you may run into here is if you have a different printer that can have multiple color sets or multiple ink types. A good example of this is the CJV200. The CJV200 has 2 different color sets and 3 different ink types to choose from, so make sure you select the correct one for your printer. Back to the TXF 300 profiles, if I click on the ink type, I can then scroll down and select the correct profile. Now, you may find your media manufacturer in this list, but if not, the generic Mimaki profiles are really good. Click the box for Check All Files, and then click Download Checked Files. Once the profiles are downloaded, you can press Ctrl J to open up your download section. Once you've downloaded this, you can click on the Show in Folder icon. It will then take you straight to the download wherever it landed. You can then right click and do Extract All. Once extracted, you will then have a folder full of ICC profiles. Now that we have everything downloaded, we need to head to the Profile Manager. Make sure RasterLink is closed and search Windows for Profile Manager. Once Profile Manager is open, we can click the Install from Folder icon and then head to your download. Select the folder and then press Select Folder. This will quickly install all of your profiles. You can then press this little checkbox here and then press OK. You'll then get a message saying the installation is complete and we can now open up RasterLink 7. Now that RasterLink is open, we can check that our profiles have installed. Head to the Quality tab within RasterLink. Check under the media names and you'll see your generic DTF film profiles have installed. You can then select the resolution that you want to print at as well as the pass rate. And that's it for installing profiles into RasterLink 7.